OK， 好，你接下来就要去送货了。这客人住台中，我要亲自送到台中去。东西太大超重了，那个物流不收，所以我们直接亲自送。好 ，Let's go。OK， 我们到了。之前帮客人订的荧幕，客人是4萤幕的设置，那我们现在在现场，然后我们要把它放。可是我刚一进来，哇，这个柜子有点小，我们几个可能装不下来。开吧。哦，你用指甲。这样很坚挺。啊。Yes. You choose the. Yes, you choose the top line, top of the line. You know. Can I have you in our video? 我要问他怎么想的。How you thought of the size?
Big, very big, bigger than expected.
You can see all the corner have the thick pieces of cardboard.
That's good.
Okay. 放得下，放得下。You said it by yourself? 这个东东提早到了，然后客人已经迫不及待把它装上去了。
Just like this, I had to modify slightly because it's obviously a lot of weight here. I couldn't put it in the middle like I wanted to because otherwise this is too close to me.
I see.
So I had no choice but to put it on the side, and I just wanted to make sure it's going to hold all the weight, so I put some extra holes in. I drilled through the desk with the main mount, and then I also put 2 additional.
Oh.
Just to extra strong, you know, you get an earthquake.
Yes, but
I don't want to take any chances. So big.
它会斜哦，拿头动脚心。哦
Perfect fit.
Yes， 刚刚好哎，完全刚好。这是运气，这太好了。当初应该先跟客人量这个柜子。
So big. You want to photo? I want to take a picture just to see my body.
OK， 你第一次开机。
Very quiet too.
Yes, I set all the RPM to the quiet mode.
11 fans, and it's so much quieter than that. This is very, very loud.
他说这个旧电脑超级吵。This is this Corsair fan is famous with the noise.
Yeah, but also
Yes.
very old now. So
Yes. And the look, the lighting and the monitor, how do you think?
I think it looks amazing. This style of light is okay for me.
对啊，不过还是必须说啊，华硕这个风扇毕竟是为了冷排效能，所以它全速的时候其实还是有点噪音。然后这个14公分风扇，因为它属于高转速的风扇，以14公分来讲，它可以到2000多转，所以还是会有噪音。对，那我们把设定好，其实噪音就没了。好，我们影片就到这边吧，接下来就留给大家看美美的 B roll，记得按赞、订阅、分享哦。